We're in the midst of our barbecue series and welcome to the seafood section. We have two beautiful recipes for our barbecue today, and the best thing is that they're not only delicious, but super quick and easy to make. So let's start. First, we're gonna start with a whole fish. And I got two types of fish today, two of my favorites, one whole Branzino and one snapper. And you can obviously use whatever fish you like. Check it out, it's super simple. We're gonna start by making small diagonal cuts. I'm holding the knife diagonally because you don't wanna cut through the fish. It's gonna help it cook 3 or 4 cuts on both sides. And I've asked Danielle to come and help me just so I don't get everything dirty. We're gonna put pepper inside and out on both sides. And if you go to your fish guy, ask them to clean the inside of the fish and create a big cavity because you want room for everything we're gonna put inside. You're gonna see in a second. Now we're gonna add some kosher salt, a little bit inside and on the outside generously. I have some sliced lemons and I'm just gonna put them about 3 or 4 with the cut side inside. Beautiful. Sliced garlic. It doesn't have to be very thin, but we're just gonna put it everywhere. This is not gonna be eaten directly, so you don't have to worry about it being spicy or too overwhelming. All these flavors and smells are just gonna come out with the smoke into the fish, and this is what I love about barbecuing. It's yummy. I have a bunch of parsley. I'm just gonna fold it in half and shove it in here. I'm gonna cut the really thick stems, a little bit of cilantro, put it between both fish, and we have some thyme. You can add also rosemary, really whatever herb you want. It's really just the mix of flavor that are going to insert themselves into the flesh. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil, cover it. Be careful now that you flip it. You don't want anything to fall out. This is really to add the yummy flavor of the olive oil and also to prevent some sticking. Make sure everything is covered and it is done. And now we're gonna move to our shrimps. For our shrimps, we're gonna create a very quick and easy marinade and just let it sit until we're ready to grill them. First, we have 5 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of chili powder. We're gonna press 4 garlic cloves. I see that someone sliced my garlic cloves.
Sous chef got on automatic.
Yep. We have half a lemon that we're gonna juice. Get it all out. You want a lot of lemon. And we're gonna add some salt. And that's it. Promise you it's gonna be so delicious. The lemon and the garlic and the salt is really the core of what you need. And if you wanna make it less spicy, just remove the chili powder, but it's gonna be super good. We have some really nice shrimps here, already peeled and deveined. I personally like peeled shrimps because that way you get to taste the marinade or whatever sauce you have on them. And if they're peeled, you're just removing most of it. And honestly, I feel it's like annoying to deal with it when you want to eat with other people. This is just my personal preference. Peeled, definitely deveined shrimp. Give it a good mix and make sure everything is nice and covered. And we're gonna let it rest for at least 20 minutes, up to as long as you need until you are ready to grill. And this is it. Let's head to the grill. Everybody's digging into the red snapper, so I stole the Branzino and I went to grab something from the house. I can't wait to eat this. The skin is crispy. I'm not a huge fan of fish skin. It's just not my thing. Delicious. It's nice, it's moist. I can taste the smokiness from the grill with the hint of like lemon and herbs and definitely a little bit of the garlic, but it's all really mild and all mixed together. Normally I would open it like that and just be careful with the bones, but yummy. Got a couple of shrimps too. Amazing. Careful with the shrimp. They literally took us 2 minutes on each side. You just need the shrimps to turn pink and you know they're ready. That's it, guys. It's delicious. All the recipes are below.